Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 18, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. Column C and fourth row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then fourth row and second row we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. First grid we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 5 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grid, we will already have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 10th row and second grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 10th row and third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grid and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 4th grid and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 8th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 3. Column I also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 10th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 1. 5th grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. then 4 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one numbers are remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, you add here 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 9th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G and second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Third row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.